wish I could chill with you right now, but I gotta make this video. See you soon. Yo, what up? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, this is a review and an unboxing, so let's just get right into it, man. First things first, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, share. You feel me? Tell a friend to tell a friend. This right here is from End Clothing. I'll put the link in my bio. End Clothing. Now, this right here is some shorts that I've been trying to get for a long time. Like, they're sold out pretty much everywhere you go. We got the End box. End Clothing. Link is going to be in the description. Now, let's get into it, man. I would say that these probably are the best shorts of the summer, and you'll see why. You can pretty much match them up with anything. The price point, very reasonable. Let's go. Let's see. Let's get into it. Okay. Now, they always do a good job wrapping their stuff. You would think you bought some shoes. They got the End. Hold on. They got the End paper right here. Let me go ahead. Drop this down. Receipt, you feel me? They give you your receipt in an envelope. Receipt in the envelope. Very nice touch. Here we go. Let's put them down here. You see it. The Nike Retro Woven Shorts. Nike.com sold out. Foot Locker sold out. Foot Action sold out. Like, these were the hardest shorts to get, and I think it's just because look at this price tag on them. Oh, the tag isn't even on them, but they're $45. The retail is 45 bucks, man. This is the all black with the white Nike sign. Very classic, man. You feel me? Very classic. And one thing that makes these shorts kind of unique for this year is that they're an above the knee cut. So if you like really like baggy shorts or really long shorts, these aren't the shorts for you. But the Nike woven right above the knee, it gives you more of a fitted look. You know, it's a standard fit, but it gives you a fitted look, if that makes any sense. Let's go ahead and show you. It has two drawstrings, plain white drawstrings. Now, this is pretty interesting. This is the inside material. It's almost like a jersey mesh type material for the insides, and it makes you think that you can like get in the water. I wouldn't call these swimming trunks, but you can get in the water with these and they'll probably dry off pretty quick. They have a pocket in the back. The back pocket has like a little drainage hole, which also kind of leads me to believe that you can get in the water with these and it won't be an issue. They got pockets both sides right here. I will be trying them on just to tell you about the fit. We got the white Nike sign, white drawstrings on the black pair. We have the, let me open up this one right here for you. This is University Red. Same shorts, University Red. Go ahead, take a look. And now this is a bright red. So if you have like the Jordan 5s, the fire reds, this would be a perfect pair of shorts for you. If you look right here, standard fit, but you see what it says? Mid-thigh. So it's going to be above the knee, okay? So if you got the ashy kneecaps, this is not for you. But if you lotion the knees, these are for you, okay? Style number, just in case anybody needs that style number, if they're trying to look it up or whatever, there you go. Same thing, white drawstring, white Nike sign, two pockets right on the side, back pocket, comes with that little rivet for the water to drain out of. I'll be trying these on for you. And last but definitely not least, we had to get a little bit more color in there. We got the pink joints, you feel me? Shout out to Killer Cam and them. You feel me? Now this is the item number right there. If you can go ahead and take a look at that. If you need the item number you can't see, just message me or put it in the comments and I'll be glad to write it down for you. 45 bucks. You can't beat $45, man. Boom. Same thing. You got the white Nike sign. You got the white drawstring. The back, same rivet. I'll throw these on for you. You got that same mesh material. I mean, you really can't beat these, man. Hopefully they'll be restocking them soon, because it took me about 2 weeks just to get my hands on these. That's why when I found them, I said, let me just go ahead and get a couple colors right now, because I don't want to have to, in 2 weeks, be looking for another color. They still have like orange out there. They have a light blue. They have a darker blue, green. I mean, they got a lot of colors. They have a gold pair. So, I mean, I might grab 1 or 2 more, you feel me, depending on how this summer turns out. And stay tuned for the on body portion of the video. And that was the on body portion of the video. So now I'm gonna talk about sizing real quick. I would say go true to size. Now, if you wear a large in Nike, just stick with the large. But keep in mind that these are a little bit shorter, so they'll go a little bit higher up above the knee. Stay true to size, man. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm gonna be having more videos, more content coming, man. You feel me? I appreciate you. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.